What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for Mara Holdings, ticker symbol MARA. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. This video is for entertainment purposes only. Please trade at your own risk. So this is a highly requested video because we are in a crypto bull market. So you know these mining companies are going to be profiting as well. Again, mining companies are not going to be as a spectacular um, return on investment as like MicroStrategy or Coinbase, even Bitcoin itself, because these companies have very low margins, very competitive markets, and you can clearly see the market is still consolidating sideways since December of 2023, while Bitcoin MicroStrategy is much higher than it was last year. This is at the same price level. So not overall a trending type of stock as of right now. So let's take a look at the dominant technical pattern, which is a range. You can see that price is finding resistance right around this low 30 level, support right around the mid teens, the $14 and $15 level. So you can drag this down a little bit lower. So that fits pretty good. We just hit the high of the range, which means that we can see price continue to trend down towards the lower side of the range. Is it guaranteed? No, it's not, but that is what the bears are attempting to do. This was one leg down right here. We are in the middle of the second leg, and it looks like it could be coming to an end very shortly at the 2152. Again, measure move targets aren't always reversal points. That doesn't mean we're going to reverse off this area. We can still trend down lower, but it's a good sign. And price is below this trend line right here. So you want to see a break of this trend line, reaching the measurement target or not reaching it. It can lead to a reversal to the upside. So overall, Mara is trading sideways. We went over the bearish side, which is that price hit one side of a channel or a range. It will go to the opposite side. So that's why he's targeting the lower teens or the mid-teens. We're below the trend line, and there's a measurement target in place for this downside as well. And also, price quickly went up and hit the top side of the range, like right over here. It was an overextension at the top, which can lead to a large sell-off. So that's the bearish case. Now, what's the bullish case? Well, the bullish case is that price is making higher lows in the long term. So it made a low in December of 2022. It made a higher low in October of 2023. It made a higher low in September of 2024. So we have this nice trend line in play to the upside. That's definitely in favor of the bulls. What else do we have? Well, possible measure move target as well for the bulls. This is all one large leg right there. We saw the drop. This is the second leg up that's targeting the $44 level. So that is a possible measurable target in play. So we'll see what happens. But Mara is looking at least short-term bearish, but long-term still looking pretty bullish. Looking at the weekly chart, just a more summarized viewpoint. Looks like it's ready to break out higher, possibly after this correction is over. As long as it's not that harsh, meaning we don't see it go all the way down to the $14 or $15 level, I think there's a good chance that we will see a large rally higher. Prior highs were right around the $50 level, and then the highest high was right around that $80 level. So still quite a bit of room to the upside if we do see a breakout of this range. Eventually, price will break outside of this range. If it breaks out to the upside, where's that target? Very similar to the low 40s where I had it before. If we break out to the downside, where is that target? Let's take a look. Back to the lows, right back over here in December 2022, sub $3. Do I think it can get there? Obviously, it's possible, but you got to assign it a probability, maybe like less than a 1% probability of getting there as of right now. Much higher probability we continue to trade sideways, potentially break out to the upside eventually. So that's how I'm looking at Mara. Just have to wait and see. This pullback is occurring throughout all these crypto-related stocks and proxies and even Bitcoin itself. So there's a good chance that this continues on for a little bit more, it looks like, and possibly reverses higher. You do have this bullish trend line right over here that you cannot ignore, and that coincides with where the measurement target is at as well. So we'll see what happens, but overall, that's all I have for Mara on the daily weekly charts. Expecting a little bit more downside. If we can find support at the trend line or the measurement target, I think we can see a retest of the highs of the range, maybe even a breakout this time. Long-term trend is still up. It's not down, and waiting for it to break out to the upside. That's all I have for Mara on the daily weekly charts. If you guys have any questions, please leave them in the comments down below. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time.